Hey, have you ever solved a word problem before? Word problems are sort of like short little stories that involve numbers, and there's a math problem that needs to be solved. To solve word problems, we can use an operation, like addition or subtraction. But how do we know which operation to use? In this lesson, we're going to learn about when to add and when to subtract in word problems. To solve word problems, we need to be detectives and look for numbers and clues that tell us which operation to use. When we add, numbers come together and quantities grow. When we subtract, numbers are taken apart and quantities get smaller. Let's take a look at this word problem together and look for some clues. Are you ready to be a word problem detective with me? Here's our first word problem. Robin, that's me, has 3 balloons for a party. Her friend brought over 2 more balloons. How many balloons are there in all? All right, detectives, let's look for clues that will tell us if we need to add or subtract to solve this word problem. What do you notice? When I read this word problem, I noticed the numbers 3 and 2. I think we're going to need to do something with those. I also looked for clues to help me decide if we need to add or subtract. The question part of this word problem says, how many balloons are there in all? So I think we need to find the total number of balloons. I started with 3 balloons and my friend brought 2 more. So to find out the total, we need to add. Right, let's use addition. 3 balloons plus 2 balloons equals 5 balloons. Okay, so words like in all, total, and together are clues that mean we need to add. Let's look at another word problem now. Robin has 3 balloons for her party, but oh no, 1 balloon popped. How many balloons are left? What do you notice about this word problem? Be a detective. We started with 3 balloons and 1 of them popped. That means we need to subtract. Right, we're taking 1 away. 3 balloons minus the 1 that popped equals 2 balloons. Words like left over and take away are clues that mean we need to subtract. Sometimes when we subtract, we also compare numbers, and you might see other words like how many more. If I have 3 balloons and my friend has 1, how many more balloons do I have? We can subtract 3 minus 1 to find the difference. So what do you think? How many more balloons do I have? Right, I have 2 more balloons. So remember, if a word problem talks about finding the total and uses words like in all or together, we need to add. And if a word problem talks about taking away or finding the difference and uses words like left or how many more, we need to subtract. Awesome! You're on your way to becoming a rock star word problem detective.